Well, let me turn the light on. There you go. Now you can see me. I'm a little bright. Well, welcome to a very different video. You haven't seen this before. Let me put you on the bed. I know, you're going on the bed. But, it doesn't work very well, actually. Anyways, I don't know if you can see all this behind me. Mike and new computer parts are here. Let's get to building. I will say, it's not all of it. So you're gonna get an initial look, and then at the very end, maybe at the very end, or a separate video. This might be a two-part video, because there's actually that much to do. I'm excited. I was gonna wait till Saturday, but oh, I turned my phone off. It's a Tuesday. Let's dig it in. Fine. Wow, thanks, Mom. Forced me to use an actual knife. Scissors. Oh well, let's open this. Yeah. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here. How do you use these things? Like this. What's in this box? It's very hot in here. I can open my window again. All that for 4 sticks of RAM. That doesn't even fit. Corsair Vengeance, RGB Pro, 3600, 4x8. E. Next box. She didn't give me very sharp ones. Should just go find toenail clippers, it'll probably work better. Oh. That might work too. RTX Super. Corsair. No, not Corsair. Aorus. This is awesome. This is the most exciting part of the whole thing for me. You can go up on the bed. Get on the bed. Next box. This is from Best Buy. The last two are Newegg. I like working on the carpet because Floor Squad. Not Toilet Squad. That's Front Page Tech. Actually, this is a very good spot. There, that's better. Now you can actually see. Turn the light back on. There you go. I should have thought about that sooner. What is this? Ah! H150i Pro RGB. There you go, now you can see it. Corsair H150i Pro. Epic. I don't need to open that yet. That's last. Just go over there. Motherboard? Yes. X570. I wanted to open this, but Mom decided to open for me. She didn't read the packaging labels, apparently. That's her excuse, at least. So, put that in there. Then there's Ryzen 7 3700. One terabyte 970 Evo. M.2 NVMe? Yeah, NVMe. I'm crushing my memory. There we go. What's in this? Microphone stand and pop filter? You might be seeing where this is going. Actually, go back in the box. I don't need this right now. It's over here. This. I didn't even know this was from San Diego. National City, but still San Diego. Ow! I hit myself. This is why I should have used a fork. Mother. Maybe I went to stab myself. Ha! Audio-Technica AT220. I don't have the XL. Does it come with the XLR cable? No. Just the mic. I don't have the XLR cable yet. Amazon hasn't delivered that, and I'm doing this a little early. So, you will see that later. My old keyboard, my old mouse pad. Logitech G502 Lightspeed. Yes, thank you. I can put this over here. I don't need that. And finally, my case. Oh! Thermotake Core P3. Freaking epic. I'm gonna hang it on the wall if I can get away with it. So let's get to building. Build montage? Yeah, build montage. No. I could do build montage. Oh, that reminds me. I need to run downstairs. I have some Thermal Grizzly compound that I need to grab that I've had for a while. I'll be back. This is fun. Just a little bit. Yeah. There are some. Good. Just enough for me. It's a really weird view, huh? Just my leg. Don't need my shoes anymore. Well, those are my dirty shoes. Oh well. Alright. Let's do some building. Don't mind my clothes on the floor. I need to. Update. Got the power supply in. Motherboard standoffs. That's about it. Well, don't mind the mess. Push my drawer in. Yeah. I smartened up and actually put some feet on. I pulled out the power supply, got a new one. Don't mind my shorts on the ground. And, It actually looks like it's something useful like that. It actually looks pretty good. Need to run a few more cables and cable manage and stuff, but I think I'm almost there. Just without a power supply. It's getting exciting. I'm itching to turn it on, but I don't want to. I'm kind of scared. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I need to tighten down that. I stripped out one of the mounts, the motherboard standoffs somehow. I didn't really tighten it on it, and it just stripped. So I gotta grab a little tightener so I can tighten the bolt on top. It'll work. Alright, she's done. The box is done. I do have a plan to hang it on the wall at some point, but in due time for that. I have the mic all set up. I got my audio part. I got my live streaming stuff set up. I am just waiting on my second monitor, and you'll see when that gets here. I'll show you that. But that'll be a different video, because I'm about to edit this video, so I'm recording this beforehand. So, with all that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to say hi to him. You know, it's a home inside the computer. Look at that. Get a new computer, I could put him in a house. I'm just sitting on top of the graphics card. Hope it doesn't fall and chop his head off. That'd be bad. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one, and maybe I should go in the ocean. There's some beaches here in San Diego that are open. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Hey, lights off.